people. So I wasn't going to record anything today, but then I thought this is the perfect opportunity to get some footage. Got my hamburger helper with some extra cheese. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all know, it's lunchtime. And what better time to shoot a video than lunchtime, okay? Okay. So, I am in a new location. The staff lounge. But here's why. Yeah, y'all going out the back. I didn't even see that. My socks already wet. Yeah. Okay, yeah, the other one. Hey, baby. This is the real deal. There is a branch that has fallen on the ground. Let me show y'all. Do y'all see that? These winds aren't playing, even though it's not a big branch. It is there. There's one right there. And then there's one, can't really see because there's a tree right there, but there's one over there too. Do y'all see that? It's raining cats and dogs, literally. Guilford County, who else? I know Rowan. A lot of counties have closed school for today. But where are we? We're still here. Students are still coming in. Classes are still in session. Florence didn't really hit North Carolina, well, Winston, like how people kept saying we were going to get. Like they said we were going to get heavy rains. Like we got some heavy rains like one day, but it's nothing like what we're experiencing right now. Like these rains, they're talking about we're in a tropical storm. I think it's a warning. This seems like we're in a hurricane. People are entering into the library drenched. A lot of our workers are coming in and their clothes are drenched. Like, do you expect them to stay the whole time with wet clothes on? Do you have a heater for them to use? I didn't think so. Like, look at that. The rug is underwater. They only canceled like one event that was irrelevant. You need to cancel these classes like you did for Florence so these students will be safe. Oh my gosh. That rain is getting high down there. So, update everyone. The power just went out. I mean, it's back on, but the power went out. So everybody, all the students that are sitting in the library right now that were on computers, all the students' works are gone. Because the way our computers are set up, once you log out, your work is gone. So it looks like we may be going home. Any words?
Gonna eat these cookie crumbs.
Michael's still making his landfall outside.
Oh.
What are you looking for keys for, James?
Maybe you just got to recording or record.
He was looking around.
Maybe you just got to warm up.
Warm up. The flashlight gotta warm up.
Yeah, I forgot what I did with the other batteries. It's so crazy here right now.
Now the emergency lights have gone off as well. So now we're really in the dark. These doors are finna close. Is everyone okay? Huh? Is everyone okay? I'm ready to go. I know, right? Is everyone okay on this side? Y'all okay?
Yes. Yeah, we trying to do it.
You better still be trying to do your work. Oh, my shoes untied. Is everyone okay over here? Is everyone okay over here?
Nah, not really. My socks are wet. I'm wet. So I'm just doing terrible.
Oh my gosh. You okay?
I am. Oh, India.
Yeah.
You a full-out teacher.
Now we are making the students leave because not only is our power out, but so is our generator.
I'm drinking more. So, okay.
Mr. Fry, how do you feel?
Michael, we need to beat
But you feel like that all the time.
we need to beat him down. That's what need to happen. Michael need to be beat down.
What happened?
Y'all just missed it. I was pressing and holding the record button. I ain't even let it go. Oh. Think they're back.
Wait.
Spoke too soon? Oh. Spoke too soon.
Too soon.
Too soon, people. We are flooding over here. We got the sandbags. We're leaking from the ceiling over here. Ah, that's some creepy stuff right there. Who's back there walking?
Tom. That's Tom.
Oh, I seen that light flicker, but I don't see nothing else. Oh, there. Ah!
This smells really bad back there.
Oh, I bet.
What is this?
I bet.
Something melting.
Oh my gosh. There's Pay. Yeah, Pay. Pay, go. Pay, go. Go, Pay. Go, Pay, go. Go, Pay, go, Pay, go, Pay. So, the power is still out. They have finally canceled all classes and activities on campus because the power's out everywhere on campus. But the thing is, with us, we're on condition 2. Well, condition 1, which means, yeah, we're closed, but we're not closed. If that makes sense. Like, we can go home if we want to. But we would still have to make up the time that we lost if we wanted to. But who wants to use their sick or vacation day if they're not sick or taking a vacation? And the power's out at my house, so it's like, might as well sit here with no power. I'm going to go home and sit with no power. This is generator.
These just the emergency lights. Come
The
on.
generator lights are back.
Let's go.
But the real lights are still off. But the generator lights are back on, so that's good enough for me.
Sneaky.
I don't want to play cards.
Come on. Why I got the bag? I don't ask for much.
I don't want to play cards.
Really?
Really, really.
You whack for that. Come on. Let's go.
Oh, my forehead is shiny.
Get off him by the light.
Okay, so I know I said I'm not going to ever eat on camera unless certain things. But my coworkers would like for me to taste this. Simply Natural. The Fuji and Red's Crunchy Apple Chips. Oil free. So I got one in my hand now. This is what it looks like. Small thing. That's what it looks like. Literally a dried apple. So we're going to test it out here. I don't like that I can hear myself chewing already.
I didn't chew that. Yeah, it dissolved. Let mine dissolve.
Well, I know you can hear that in the background. But, tastes like baby food to me. It's alright. It's good.
Oh, you all are officially just SSU now because your W was down.
Wait,
It's
what?
nothing like when they had homecoming.
SSU.
No, they used to. Did it fall?
W was down.
Where?
Well, at least it's.
Where the SSU?
Oh, where the home?
W like this.
Well, at least the W is still there. One year they stole the whole M in homecoming, so it was like homecoming.
Ah!
I'm glad you find that humorous.
Yeah, because we don't have no problems at A&T.
So, like you guys know, the generator lights came back on, but the power is still out. And basically, our director said that the library closes when it gets dark. I don't think we had a group that was in one of our study rooms, but I think they left. And we still got practice today. So, there's that. Crazy out here in these streets.